On-location tours is unique because it's an experience for people who are familiar with the city and who have never been here alike. This tour goes all over the city of Boston. We start here in the beautiful Boston Public Gardens for our walking tour and in the Boston Commons for our bus tour. We go through the Back Bay, Southie, Charlestown on our bus tour and take people to sites from all these great Boston movies. My tour philosophy is to show people where their favorite scenes from their favorite movies were filmed. I love this experience of being a tour guide because I get to meet people from all over the world coming to Boston who are so excited about our film industry and about the movies we've produced here. My favorite part of on-location tours is on our walking tour. We have our guests read scenes from these different movies. If you really want to see Boston as you might have seen it before and as you'll never see it again, this is the best tour for that.